Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a rich, creamy, and guilt-free treat, keto and low-carb chocolate fudge. It's dairy-free, sugar-free, and so easy to make. Let's get started. Start by adding 4 tablespoons of stevia sweetener and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon vanilla to a mixing bowl. Give it a quick stir to combine. Now, pour in half a cup of tahini and a quarter cup of melted coconut oil. This is where all the creamy magic happens. Mix everything together until it's completely smooth and glossy. This fudge mixture is rich, chocolatey, and absolutely irresistible. Pour the mixture into a mold or any container you like. You can use silicone molds for easy release, or just a simple dish lined with parchment paper. Pop it into the freezer for at least 1 hour, or until firm. This keto and low-carb chocolate fudge is smooth, satisfying, and perfect for when you need a sweet fix without the carbs. If you try this recipe, drop a comment below and let me know how it turned out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more low-carb magic, straight from my kitchen to yours. Thanks for spending time with me in Heaven's Kitchen.